Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend you to check if you have the latest software version. Open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app and the application open for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Now, you need to scroll down and at the bottom you will find support line. Tap at this line and right here we have your current software version. So you need to tap at the software line if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you enter to another window, you can update it by click download button at the bottom. Next step, maybe the problem in your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the application list, then open it again. And also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. If both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time volume control buttons. What located at the right ear cup. Right here we have volume up and volume down button. You need to press and hold it simultaneously until your headphones turn off. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers and then we should reconnect them. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones, then forget the device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, and forget device. Also, let's do the same for LE. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. And we just reconnect them. Now let's reconnect it to the app, open JBL Headphones application, and then click Pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!